This is the affected limb. You can see it shakes when she puts any weight on it. She'll put a little weight on it, but then as she moves faster, she wants to hold it up. Come here, Kit. Come here. Come on.
Hello, this is Don coming to you from Colorado to talk a little bit more about Kit, our Australian Shepherd Border Collie mix.
So I'm Rhonda, and Kit was injured in March of 2017, almost a year ago. We got the Posh Dog Knee Brace in May of 2017, so she had it about 10 months. We used it real regular for about 8 months, and she couldn't put any weight on it at first, but after regular use of it and as time has gone on, this is how she's walking now. And this is the affected leg right here. Kit's 14 and a half now, and so we think she's doing pretty well, and we're happy with our decision that she didn't have surgery at such an old age.